The SmartKeeper Secure Drive-In Connector is a secure USB drive that is recognized only through the same pattern secure connector. No software is required. Only selected systems with the secure connector are able to recognize the secure drive. Data is secure in case of a lost secure drive. The secure drive is not recognized by a USB port without the secure connector. The secure connector recognizes only a secure drive. The secure drive can be used on multiple secure connectors with the same pattern. Install the secure connector into the USB port and press the lock button to secure it. Use the lock key to release. Plug the secure drive into the attached secure connector. Simply unplug the secure drive from the secure connector to remove. There are three components to the SmartKeeper key: the open button, the side latch button, and the key header. Before inserting or removing the lock key from SmartKeeper devices, slide the open button all the way forward to close the key header. Slide the open button back slightly to engage the key header. Or press the slide latch button to engage the key header. To remove the secure connector, insert the lock key into the secure connector and engage the key header. Pull the lock key out to release the lock button. Slide the open button all the way forward to disengage the key header and pull the lock key out from the secure connector.